Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a lead on Propwire. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Propwire. How do you actually go ahead and find leads that you can contact? So the way to do this is that if we go ahead and enter an address, city, county, state, zip code over here. So we'll just enter Las Vegas, Nevada here. And as far as lead type goes, we'll set this to cash buyers. We'll set the property type to single family homes. We'll set the estimated value to about 500,000. And then we'll set this to 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. And as you can see, we've narrowed down our search results to 37,000 search results. Now, the way to actually go ahead and copy these leads, or basically get a lead, is that you would simply just select this checkbox. And so with that, you select the lead and then click on this option here. And then now you actually have the option to download the list, save the list, or even remove everyone here from your list. So that right there is how to find leads on Propwire. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually go ahead and find leads on Propwire, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.